In this video we'll have a quick look at version control, commits and simple branches as of now. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. We will need a second and a third field. We will enter some data, not too much, and bring it in the usual format, have a look at the configurator, and also this time add the history selection. And with the basic data, let's just push the commit button first time. And then maybe let's rename the table to base, and we can also do commit with a keyboard. And then maybe we want to rename the name to person and make a commit. And maybe we want to factor out the person, and for that we make a new table and a new field inside there, and we do it, and let's make a commit. Now we did that. We could, for example, also edit the data, clone the cell and make it to gamma and design something like that, make a commit. We can even factor out the project, so all things we already did. Proper field, project like this, make a commit. And then if you go to the persons, for example, we can decide to scrap the full table. Are you sure? Yes, we are. We're back to base because the project is gone. We make a commit. And well, now we did quite a lot, and you see we have already 9 open commits. What does open mean? So this is important. The open commit is always the tip commit in a branch. Right now we only have one branch, the main line, and only the open commit can be really changed easily without having any impact. So that's what you can change. If we go back in history, you can do that with the cursor keys over here. We can go back to commit number 8 in that branch. You will see everything will be undone slowly. So first the change in the net values, then the undeletion of the table, then the factoring out the other rank number 5 we cloned, the first factoring out, the renaming of the name to persons, the renaming of the base table, and then all is gone. You can also use the cursor keys as you're used from navigating your browser, and we go forward, and then we can see the changes as we did in the proper order until we finally are at our open commit. Now it's important, only the open commit, as I said, can be changed easily. If you go to a closed commit and do some changes, you can also do, but remember, you will never be able to change a closed commit. A closed commit is always frozen. So if we do something in here, the moment I hit enter, it will automatically change a branch and make a new commit, which is now open and can be changed again, as always. If you get back once more, you see the branch as it has to be closed. It's the same if we go to mainline to commit number 6. If we go back, it will be exactly the same commit. But this is always closed. Closed meaning you cannot change it directly. It will always be a branch if you start to edit it, which is allowed, of course. Yeah. So that's it for the time being for the simple version control, and of course there is more to embrace, but that'll be another story.